Are your Canva projects getting messy and hard to find? Today, I'm going to show you how to use folders in Canva to keep all your designs organized and easily accessible. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clean, streamlined workspace that lets you focus on creating, not searching. Start by heading over to Canva's homepage and click on the Projects button. Here, you'll see all your existing designs, a complete overview of your creative work. To get organized, the first step is creating a folder. Click on Add New, then select Folder from the drop-down options. Now, give your folder a meaningful name, something that instantly tells you what's inside. Names like marketing campaigns or social media posts work perfectly. Once named, click Continue and your folder is ready. Next, let's fill it with content. Open your new folder and click Add Designs. This will show all your existing projects. Select the designs you want to move into this folder, then click Move. Just like that, your designs are neatly organized, making it easy to locate any project when you need it. Folders in Canva aren't just for you, they're collaborative too. Click the Share button, enter your team member's email, and hit Share Folder. Now your team can access and work on the same designs seamlessly. And that's it. Using folders in Canva is a simple way to maintain an organized workflow, save time, and focus more on your creativity. Remember to update your folders regularly as you create new designs, and your Canva workspace will stay clean and efficient. Happy designing!